What's going on, guys? Doing a little quick recap on a long I took on the futures market on YM. Had a nice 2 hour trade in the New York AM session. It was on Monday, November 24th. Let's jump right into it. As you can see here, it's the 4 hour chart. We're on the 6 a.m. candle, and YM filled in this gap, this 4 hour gap here. ES had the same gap, but it did not fill. So we have the SMT fair value gap fill. NQ did not create one, and when it opened, it shot up to take out previous day high. ES did the same. YM opened and went lower. So let's dive into a lower time frame and see what happened. So moving forward, YM kept moving lower, right? Sweeping out this low again. ES and NQ did not do the same. So we have another SMT right around here. So we have a two-stage SMT formed. And right now it is 10 a.m., right? So I'm going to dive into the 3-minute chart, which I was basing my trade off of. As you can see, we created some equal highs up here as a nice strong liquidity, as well as previous day high as YM plays catch up. So we have a nice CISD on the 3-minute here. And that's basically when I opened right at right after 10 a.m. I entered, and you can see my long position right over here. And prices moving higher as expected, and there was multiple opportunities to get in. We have this 3-minute fair value gap as well as a 5-minute. And as you can see here, we had another intercandle change in state of delivery to the upside. Price hangs around for a little bit. And as you can see, we have another change in the state of delivery and ultimately goes to previous day high. So let's see how price forms. Basically, I close right around here. I didn't want to be a dick for a tick and just close right at around this high at 655. So pretty much at that high. Let's see. And here's my trade, right? And as you can see, that NQ just expanded higher. ES also expanded higher. So we had this initial change in state of delivery, but that wasn't valid. And we just moved higher. NQ moved higher. NQ filled this fair value gap. You could probably trade NQ as well, but it was a more riskier trade, I think. Right here, what would that look like? Let me try to put that on there. Yeah. Stop at this low, target 2R. That's a 100-point stop, which is kind of crazy. That is nuts. So you definitely would have traded micros, right? So I think YM was the better asset to trade. I only traded one contract, as you can see here. And that was a nice catch up on YM. So we had a two-stage SMT. We had a change in state of delivery on the 3-minute. And then we had respecting opposing candles on the move higher. So that's what you like to see as an A+ setup to at least these equal highs and move my stop loss once we hit this target here to this low here. And then once we got up and intercandle changed state of delivery here, I moved my stop here and then took my profit right at that high. So super clean, nice 2-hour trade on YM. And that's pretty much it. Take care, guys.